Welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete recent searches on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. And if you are using Android, don't worry because the process is still the same, okay? So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and then click on the search bar on the lower part of it, okay? So just go ahead and click that and click on the search bar again, okay? So once you've clicked that, you can see all of your recent searches. So just go ahead and click a see all, and then here you can see a clear all on the upper part of your screen. But you can delete it individually by clicking on the X on the right side of their username, okay? And then if you want to delete it all at once, just click clear all on the upper right side of your screen. So just go ahead and clear all, and that's it. I hope this video helps you. And if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.